9 home remedies backed by science. Turmeric for pain and inflammation. Who hasn't heard of turmeric by now? Turmeric has been used, primarily in South Asia as a part of Ayurvedic medicine, for almost 4,000 years. When it comes to proven medicinal purposes, the golden spice may be best for treating pain, specifically pain associated with inflammation. Several studies have found that curcumin is responsible for turmeric's wow factor. In one study, people with arthritis pain trusted source noted that their pain levels were more reduced after taking 500 mg mg of curcumin than 50 mg of diclofenac sodium, an anti-inflammatory drug. Other studies trusted source back up this pain relief claim as well, noting that turmeric extract was as effective as ibuprofen for treating pain. Trusted source in patients with knee osteoarthritis. Don't go grinding turmeric, which stains heavily, for immediate relief though. The amount of curcumin in turmeric is at most 3%, meaning you're better off taking curcumin supplements for relief. That's not to say a soothing turmeric latte won't help. It's suggested that 2 to 5 grams g of the spice may still provide some benefits. Just be sure you add black pepper to boost the absorption. Chili peppers for pain and soreness. This active component of chili peppers has a long history of use in folk medicine and has slowly become more accepted outside of homeopathy. Now, capsaicin is a popular topical ingredient for managing pain. It works by causing an area of the skin to get hot, before eventually turning numb. Today, you can get a prescription capsaicin patch called Qutenza, which relies on very high level of capsaicin, 8% trusted source, to work. So, when it comes to sore muscles or generalized body pain that won't leave you alone, and you have some hot peppers or cayenne pepper on hand, make some capsaicin cream. DIY capsaicin coconut oil cream. Mix 3 tablespoons of cayenne powder with 1 cup of coconut. Heat the oil on a low simmer until it melts. Stir the mixture thoroughly for 5 minutes. Remove from heat and pour into a bowl. Let it firm up. Massage onto skin when cooled. For an extra fancy feel, whip your coconut oil with a hand mixer so that it becomes light and fluffy. It's important to test your reaction to the compound before using too extensively. You may also use jalapeno peppers, but the amount of heat may vary depending on the pepper. Never use this cream around the face or eyes, and be sure to wear gloves during application. Ginger for pain and nausea. It's almost law to try ginger when you have a cold, sore throat, or are experiencing morning sickness and nausea. Making a cup is pretty standard. Grate it in your tea for a stronger effect. But the other benefit of ginger that goes less noticed is its effectiveness as an anti-inflammatory. The next time you feel a little queasy and have a headache, try ginger. Ginger works differently than other pain relievers that target inflammation. It blocks the formation of certain types of inflammatory compounds and breaks down existing inflammation through an antioxidant that interacts with acidity in the fluid between joints. Its anti-inflammatory effects trusted source come without the risks of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs NSAIDs. Ginger tea recipe. Grate half an inch of raw ginger. Boil 2 cups of water and pour over ginger. Let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Add juice from a lemon, and add honey or agave nectar to taste. Shiitake mushrooms for the long game. Lentinan, also known as AHCC or active hexose correlated compound, is an extract of shiitake mushrooms. It promotes antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Trusted source at a cellular level. A Petri dish study. Trusted source suggests that AHCC can help with inhibiting breast cancer cells, and its interaction with the immune system might help fight cancer. Trusted source by improving chemo-weakened immune systems. If you've found bone broth to be comforting, throw in a few chopped shiitake mushrooms next time. One study. Trusted source found that eating 5 to 10 grams of shiitake mushrooms every day helped boost human immune systems after 4 weeks. Eucalyptus oil for pain relief. Eucalyptus oil has a component called 1,8-cineol, which may help relieve pain. The component has a morphine-like effect when tested on mice. Trusted source. And for the essential oils fans, you're in luck. Eucalyptus oil has been shown to relieve body pains even after inhalation. For lovers of Vicks VapoRub, who have been inhaling it as a home remedy for congestion, well, eucalyptus oil is your magic ingredient. However, inhaling eucalyptus oil isn't for everyone. This oil can trigger asthma and may be harmful to pets. It may also lead to respiratory distress in infants. Lavender for migraine and anxiety. Migraine attacks, headaches, anxiety, and general feelings of distress. Inhaling lavender can help with that. Studies shows that lavender helps with migraine, lowering anxiety or restlessness, memory troubles when stressed, and sleep. Trusted source. Drinking lavender tea or keeping a satchel around for times of high stress is one way to reduce anxiety and relax the mind and body. As an essential oil, it can also be combined with other plant oils for aromatherapy. One study trusted source found that in combination with sage and rose, lavender was helpful in relieving premenstrual syndrome (PMS) symptoms. Mint for muscle pain and digestion. Mint, as common as it sounds, isn't simple. Depending on the type, it can provide different uses and benefits. For pain, you'll want to look for wintergreen, which has methyl salicylate, a compound that may work similarly to capsaicin. Applying it can feel like a cool burn before the numbing effect takes place. This effect helps with joint and muscle pain. The other mint type that's commonly used in folk medicine is peppermint. An ingredient in many different cures, peppermint has been found to be especially effective in helping treat irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) symptoms. Studies show that along with fiber, it helps reduce spasms trusted source, as well as diarrhea and abdominal pain trusted source associated with IBS. Peppermint activates an anti-pain channel in the colon, which reduces inflammatory pain in the digestive tract. This most likely accounts for its effectiveness in treating IBS. Beyond digestion and stomach troubles, a peppermint oil capsule or tea may also help with headaches, colds, and other body discomforts trusted source. Fenugreek for breastfeeding. Fenugreek seeds are often used in cooking in the Mediterranean and Asia, but this spice, which is similar to cloves, has several medicinal uses. When made into a tea, fenugreek can help with milk production for breastfeeding trusted source. For people experiencing diarrhea, fenugreek is a great water-soluble fiber trusted source to help firm up stools. If you're constipated, you definitely want to avoid these seeds. As a supplement, fenugreek has also been found to lower blood sugar trusted source, making it a popular aid for people with diabetes. Fenugreek's role here is due in part to its high fiber content, which can help with improving insulin function trusted source. Magnesium-rich foods for everything. Feeling muscle pains, fatigue, more migraine attacks, more likely to slip into a numbed emotional state than usual. It might be a magnesium deficiency. While magnesium is often talked about in terms of the growth and maintenance of bones, it's also essential in nerve and muscle function. But studies show that almost half of the US population doesn't get the required amount of magnesium trusted source. So, if you've ever complained of these symptoms and got a slightly terse, eat spinach response in return, know that it's not completely unfounded. Spinach, almonds, avocados, and even dark chocolate are all rich in magnesium. You don't necessarily need a supplement to treat magnesium deficiency. When it comes to mood, magnesium may also help. Magnesium works with the parasympathetic nervous system, which keeps you calm and relaxed, suggesting that having a magnesium-rich diet might aid in stress relief. Foods high in magnesium: lentils, beans, chickpeas, and peas. Tofu, whole grains. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and halibut. Bananas. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Best regards, Usman Kaleem.